Hi guys, may adlaw na ako'y ipakita ninyo. Grabe man po din siya og health benefits sa lawas. Kari siya guys. Muna siya ang bunga sa aratilis. Kauno ni mo na siya tamis, tapos grabe siya benefits. Grabe. Ano siya benefits guys? Arastilis, Quercus or Jamaican cherry is nutritious powerhouse and fruit and leaves are packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties. Traditional and modern uses suggest in my health, low blood pressure, and reduced uric acid, growth and lower blood pressure. Ano siya health benefits? Boost immunity, rich in vitamin C, about 150 milligrams in 100 grams of berries, with protect cells and fight infection. Lower blood sugar, research highlights the bioactive component, anthocyanin, flavonoid, and polyphenol that may aid in managing the diabetes, fight inflammatory and fruit and leaves, have natural pain blocks, often broids in tea relieves headache. O din na siya guys. Known as help lower excessive uric acid in body, giving relief for arthritis, arthritic and joint pain. Herb protection contain potassium and fiber with help regulate blood pressure and promote cardiovascular health. Ano siya guys? So grabe siya benefits no. That's the video.